5 summer beauty tips for glowing skin. Want glowing, fresh skin even in the harsh summer heat? I've got you covered with 5 amazing summer beauty tips using natural ingredients. Rub aloe vera ice cubes daily for an instant fresh glow and to reduce sunburns. Aloe glow in seconds. Make a cooling spray with cucumber juice and rose water to hydrate and refresh your skin on the go. Hydrate plus refresh anytime. Mix coconut oil, aloe vera, and a few drops of carrot seed oil for a natural sun protection layer. DIY herbal sunscreen. Papaya and honey make a perfect anti-tan mask. Use once a week for brighter skin. Say bye to tan lines. Keep your skin glowing from within. Drink detox water made with lemon, mint, and cucumber. Glow from the inside out. Try these summer beauty tips and shine with natural glow all season. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Skin Maker Lab for more herbal skincare secrets.